Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing where your numbers will live. Click a cell or drag to select a range, then type your first value and press Enter. Once done, use Tab to move right or Enter to move down. Press Ctrl plus Enter to populate a selection with the same number. Make sure to set the cell format to number, currency, or text as appropriate so Excel interprets inputs correctly and prevents unwanted rounding or scientific notation. You now convert raw entries into meaningful values with formulas. Type equals, then click cells or enter references like A2, A10. Use $1 to lock a reference when copying. Use built-ins like SUM, average, and round to control precision. Once formulas produce desired results, copy and paste special values to freeze numbers. Make sure to use auto-fill for patterns and flash fill for consistent formatting. Check decimal places to avoid surprises in totals. You finish by validating and safeguarding your numbers. Recalculate with F9 and inspect green error triangles or the error check menu when results look odd. Apply data validation to restrict future entries and protect the worksheet to prevent accidental changes. Save incremental versions and use undo if you overwrite data. If numbers still seem wrong, use trace precedents and dependents to find broken links or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.